welcome back to my channel. So in this video here we have the first image that I did. I've decided to print it out because I really wanted it colored, but it did not come out colored, so I've decided to do another project. So guys, I've been back and forth trying to decide which image I like best. So I found this picture frame at a store in Chaguanas for $25. So I've decided to print it out and cut it to let it fit inside of this frame, but unfortunately the other two pictures that I have is too big, so I had to go back to the drawing board.